This is our brand new tent, so we're gonna open it today. Open. So let's see which pieces are in here. Wow, there are a lot of pieces. What are these pieces? So this is the cover for the tent. We're gonna build it and we'll be right back. So inside the bag, we have some sticks and we have the cover. And we have the instructions. So we're gonna be right back and build it. So we have these sticks, but these sticks can connect them and they do this. And the sticks are gonna turn longer. Whoa! So I'm gonna be finished connecting the sticks. Half of the tent is brick. So I'm gonna come to Jenna's house. This is the one. Knock, knock. Open the door, please. Thank you. Bye. Uh-oh. We want to...
Click here to subscribe. Eddie's Great Venture.
So we're eating our favorite snacks and we're drinking our favorite snacks and we're watching our favorite show and we're drinking the juice. I hope you like our videos, so bye.